Are you curious about investing but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Many people hesitate to dive into the investment world, but understanding the basics can open doors to financial growth. Why do you want to invest? The answer often lies in the power of compound interest. This is where your money grows exponentially over time. Even a small investment can lead to significant returns. Next, we consider inflation. It erodes your purchasing power. Investing helps your money grow at a rate that outpaces inflation, safeguarding your wealth. Now, how do you invest? A solid starting point is understanding stock market returns. Over long periods, the stock market has historically provided favorable returns. So what do you invest in? One option is index funds. These are collections of stocks that track a specific market index. They offer diversification and lower risk. You'll encounter ticker symbols when investigating stocks. These are unique identifiers for publicly traded companies. Familiarizing yourself with them is crucial for effective investing. Personalizing your investments is essential. Consider your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. Your investment strategy should reflect your individual circumstances. Next, think about where to invest. Retirement accounts vary by country. Understanding these options can help you maximize your investment potential. When should you start investing? The answer is now. Time is your greatest ally in the investment world. The sooner you begin, the more you can benefit from compound interest. Lastly, how much should you start with? There's no minimum. Just begin with what feels comfortable. Consistency is key, no matter the amount. Interested in seeing these concepts in action? Now that you understand these basics, it's time to take action. Start by researching options that align with your goals. Let your money work for you.